How do I keep my dog out of the garden without a fence? A lot of people wonder how to keep their dogs out of the garden without a fence. There are many solutions that can help you, but I would like to share my favorite one with you today: dog training. By teaching your dog simple commands and rewarding them for good behavior, they will learn what you want them to do. With this knowledge, they should be able to avoid the garden all by themselves. Place a motion-sensitive sprinkler near your garden to scare the dog away. Put up a "Beware of Dog" sign and install an invisible electric fence for dogs. Plant thorny bushes around the perimeter of your garden to discourage digging or chewing by pets. Use natural repellents such as pepper, garlic, orange peel, cayenne pepper, and lemon juice to keep animals away from your property. Install a small fountain at the edge of your lawn. This will make it seem like there is running water nearby and deter some wildlife from entering onto your property. Get rid of any food sources on or near your home that may attract wildlife, such as bird feeders or pet food left outside overnight. You can buy a dog repeller to keep your dog from digging in your garden. It works well if you have a small yard, and it's worth getting one if you're tired of replacing your plants. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.